We will be treating the topic of sharp pattern today. Okay.
Okay.
Let me give you a small hint. Before we go to the chart to find them. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you can see this one here on the image. My mouse pointer is hovering on.
Yes. The
It's
M.
called double. It's called double top. This one now, if you look closely, it's called the head and shoulders. This is a pattern, head and shoulders pattern. This is it. Okay.
Let me show it. Okay.
This one is called the rising the rising wedge. Okay. This one is called the double bottom. This one is called the inverse head and shoulders. The next one is the falling wedge. Okay.
Okay.
So these are all. You don't need to cram or know all of it. Just know the important ones that you need. You must not know everything. Know the important ones that will help you make money.
Okay.
Then that is good. You'll be good to go. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Is my voice very like the volume
Okay.
is very
Very
okay on
clean.
this side?
Very clean. Yes.
Okay, that is good to know. Very good to know that. Thank you. So let's go to the chart quickly. Remember, on our last class, I taught you what is an uptrend and what is a downtrend. Okay,
Downtrend. Yes,
so
sir.
quickly let me draw an uptrend for you. This is a high. This is a low. This is a higher high. This is a what? A higher low.
Higher,
This is a what? A higher high. This is a what?
higher
A
low.
higher low. This is a what? A higher high. This is a what?
Higher low. Higher low.
This is a what? A higher high. This is a
Higher
what?
high. Higher low.
Low. So I told you that this is how an uptrend
Moves.
looks like. And
Yes.
here, in that same way, this is how a
Down.
downtrend kind of looks like.
Okay.
Also, this is a low. This is a lower high.
Lower
This is a
high.
lower low. This is a lower high. This is a lower low.
Lower low.
This is a lower high.
Lower high. Lower low.
This is a lower low. This is a lower high.
Lower high.
This is a lower low. This is a lower high again.
Yes.
Okay. So this
Yes, sir.
right here is an uptrend, while this is a downtrend. And I also taught you trend line. Trend line is something you are fixed in this manner. First touch, you connect to the second one, then you extend to the fusion.
The
Okay,
future.
to make it
Yes.
perfect. Yeah, sometimes it's not perfect. Can look like this. This is a trend line. Okay, this is
Yes.
a trend line. And also on the downtrend, you can see a fix a trend line. No, it will extend it to the future. You see that?
Yes.
So this is a trend line now. You see that, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's remove the trend line. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this market is giving you, this is the high, this is another high, this is another high,
Uh-huh. Yes.
this is what? Another high.
Uh-huh.
Are you seeing what I'm drawing?
Yes, sir.
This is another high also. So
Yes.
here is the low. Okay. Here is another low, but it's called a higher low. I thought it's called a higher low.
Higher low. Yes.
And here is another low. I told you
Another
why it's
higher
called
low.
a higher low. Here is a higher
Yes.
low again,
Higher low.
and here is another low again. So do you see that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So
It's higher than the
every
previous one.
high must give you a low.
Yes.
So sometimes we call it at this point. This is a low. Here is a high. Then here we call it a swing low. Call it a swing high. Every swing high must give you a swing low, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, and a swing low again. Okay.
Mhm.
So this one,
Okay.
this is an impulse. This one also, when it's going up to give you a high on an uptrend, it's called an impulse movement. When it's coming down to give you a low, it's called a retracement. Going up again to give you another high, it's called an impulse movement. Coming down again to give you a low, it's called a retracement. Coming down, going up again to give you a new high, it's called an impulse. Coming down again to give you a higher low, okay, or a swing low, it's called a retracement. Going up again to give you a swing high or a higher high, okay, it's called
Okay.
an impulse. Coming down again to give you a swing low or a higher low, it's called what? Retracement, and so on. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So swing high. The reason why I'm using these words, so that when you hear them later, so that when you hear them later, swing high, swing low. When you hear these words later, an impulse, impulse, an impulse move, then a retracement, an impulse move, swing high, swing low, impulse move, retracement. Okay,
Yes.
I just explained these things to you now. So when you come to a downtrend, in a downtrend, when it's coming down to give you a low, is an impulse move. When it's going up to give you a lower high, is a retracement. When it's coming down to give you a lower low, is an impulse move. When it's going up to give you a swing high, a swing, lower high. This is a swing lower high. Is a retracement coming down to give you a low, a swing low. Is is a what? Is an impulse move. Going up
Is
to
an
give
impulse.
you high is a retracement.
Is a retracement.
Coming down again is an impulse. Going up to give you a lower high is a retracement. Coming down to give you a lower low is an impulse move.
Impulse move.
So impulse moves are moves that moves very fast. They move very clean and neat. So to understand this very well, if a market is an uptrend, The trend of that market. Looking at the chart is trending. Is a market that is trending to the upside, called an uptrend or a bullish market. So since you know that that market is moving to the upside, okay, and you understand market structure. Market structure is what I'm teaching you now. What I just drew out for you. This is market structure. Okay. So the market
Yes.
structure, but the market does not move in a straight line this way. I told you before, it moves in
Yeah.
waves, and that waves is what I just drew out
Waves.
for you on the screen. This
Mm.
is the waves, how it moves. Higher highs and higher lows, that waves, which is called market structure. So if the market is trending to the upside, okay, for example, right here, okay, right here, this is an uptrend, okay,
Yes.
this is an uptrend right now.
Yes.
Let's find that uptrend. You see, this here, for this
Very
market
long.
right here, here is an uptrend. You can see it. So
Yes.
looking at the chart and
Yes.
see that it's an uptrend, the swing highs, the impulses are the movement that goes up. Why? Why? Because they move fast and neat. This is a high. I said that the candles that give you this high are very healthy and long and very green. This is a higher
Yes.
low. The candles that came to give you this higher low, they are sometimes they are not high, they are short, not much high quality. Okay, then the ones that give you the
Yes.
impulse, the impulse again, a new high. You see how healthy they are. Then you have a higher low. Then for this higher low now to this point, you see that the candles are very nice and neat. They are always healthy. Okay,
Yes.
with full bodies, often with longer and with full bodies. Then you can see that this low here is not much, and then you see another high. Another swing guy that
Yes.
happens. You see the candles, one, two, three, four. See how neat they are. After that, I see the candle that come and give you a swing low, a higher low. See that, you see how sharp the candles are right here. And after all this sharpness,
Yes.
you see that the movement that goes up again is kind of very fast. So, do
Yes.
you understand this, or do you have any question?
No, no, I don't. It's okay.
Do you really understand what I see? Another one too is right here, because this is an uptrend right here. You see, it went up here, comes down here. You see the movement to the upside is very fast. The candles are held, they're not choppy candles.
It's
It
very, very
goes up
fast.
here. The one that comes down,
Yes.
it has so much noise, so much more movements, but at last it came down. And then after this higher low now, do you see what happens to the new higher high? The candles are very healthy and long. They can see the bullish
Yes.
candle, the green candles are very strong and powerful. See how they move? They move up. You see them?
Yes.
Then you see the low it gives you, the higher low it gives you. You see the candles are not really that healthy. After this higher low and the
Much.
higher high,
Yes.
the new candles on higher high, they are very fast and clean. You see how long they are. And that is
Yes.
it. So it's called
Yes.
what? Impulse move. Even you can still see it here on this same one also. Even here, you can see here, this is a high. Okay, this is a higher low. You see the higher high
Mm.
now? Are you seeing it? This is
Yes.
a higher low.
Yes.
Are you seeing it? Do you see how the
Yes.
candles are very neat? Okay, very good. So now
Yes.
that is the impulse.
Mm.
That is the impulse movement. So going to teach you chart patterns plus equal highs and equal lows. It should be something like this. So going to teach you the equal highs and equal lows. It should be something like this. Uh, okay. Let's teach you first on the. You see, this market here is the low. Okay,
Mm.
and here also is a low. This point is
Hello.
a low. So an
Mm.
equal low happens when this low did not happen up here. Rather, it comes here to happen around this same low now, around the
Yes.
level of the first low. At that point, we have an equal low.
Yes. Equal. Yes.
I cannot hear. Please come close to your computer so I can be hearing your voice very well.
Yes.
Can't
Yes.
hear you.
Yes. Yes. I'm hearing you. Yes.
Then here, this is a high, and this is a high. So this is the level of this high. This one up here. This is the level. So when this high, when this is the level of it. Okay. Now when this when this let's use this one. When this is the level of this high. When this high did not cross above to go and do a higher high, rather it happens around here.
Yeah.
Okay, we call it
It's
what?
equal high.
An equal high
Equal
now.
high. Yes.
Do you understand? So an equal
Yes.
high sort of happens this way. This is a high, this is a low. Another high happens at that same equal one, and then
Yes.
a higher low. You see it?
Yes.
And then
Yes,
another
sir.
equal high can start to happen there, a higher low again, then finally
Yes.
a higher high now. Do you
High,
see
high
that we
now.
have an equal high right here?
Yes,
Equal
three
three
equal
highs here.
highs. Yes.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
So do you so in that same way you can have a downtrending market. This is a low, okay? Then this is
Lower,
a lower high. This is an equal
lower.
low, a lower high again, an equal low. You see it?
Yes, sir.
A lower high again, and then finally a lower low.
Lower,
So
low.
here at this point is where we have the equal lows. Have you seen that?
Yes, three equal lows.
Three equal lows, yes. So sometimes it must not be three, sometimes it can be two, sometimes it can be three, sometimes even four. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
One thing you must pay attention to that when these equal highs or equal lows happen, for example, when this equal high, example, this is a high, this is a higher low, then again gives you another
A
equal high.
equal high.
Okay, if the market, the market, this equal high often pushes the market down. It often pushes, sometimes it can change, it can push the market down to give you a new trend. Once does this, you can see that this market has changed trend because it is about to change because this is the higher low.
Cluster,
Okay,
yes.
this is the level of the higher low. Okay, it can
Mm.
change trend. Meanwhile, the market can now decide to come back up here, testing this level to keep on tanking down.
Mm.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir. So that means someone needs to be careful once it happens this way. It gets to
Once it happens, you
uh,
have to be very careful and
double.
watch what the market is doing. That is correct. And it's even worse when you see that it happens three times. When this
Mm.
equal high happens three times, you must be very careful with it. This is a
Mm.
high,
That means,
okay. This is a low.
yes, sir.
This is an equal high. The second an equal high, okay. This one is this
Yes.
an equal high again. But at this some point, this thing has the power to push the market down.
Yes. Okay.
You see that? And
Can it
then
equally be called sorry, sir.
connect these
Can it
two.
equally be called a resistance? This
Yeah, of course, I can call it. Yeah, yeah, is a
equal.
resistance also. Yes,
Okay.
yes, it's a resistance. You have to come close to your computer so I can
Okay.
hear you very well, please.
Okay. I'm
It can
using
also be
earpods.
called
I can hear me clearly, right?
come close to your computer so I can hear you very loudly. So do you
Okay.
understand
You
this?
can hear me now. Yes.
I'm hearing you, somehow you seem to be a little far from your computer, or the volume is not
No, 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 no.
properly
Volume,
increased. But it's
volume.
okay, I can hear you.
You can hear me very well now.
So are you understanding what you are understanding what equal highs and equal lows mean?
Yes.
So I will go and show you on the real chart. So then at that point, this one now here is double top head and shoulder. Something like this. It happens this way. Head and shoulder happens this way. Head and shoulder happens this way. So do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now to delete this, So you understood what I have explained so far, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is an equal high right here.
Follow. Okay. Go ahead.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
An equal what? High right here. So
Ah,
when you say you have to be careful while trading it, this is the point where your carefulness. This is what we make you know. We help you know what you are doing. So this point right here, we call it the neckline.
neckline.
You see this point?
Yes.
We call it the what? The neckline.
Neckline.
Call it the neckline. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the neckline. Okay. So how do you know the neckline? If the market has given you an equal high up here, an equal high up here, okay, then you
Yes.
take note of that. And then if the market is pushing down the price, you should be looking at the neckline to see what it's gonna do. If the price eventually breaks below the neckline, then you know that something else is happening. Then you should be expecting a retest of the neckline, and then for the market to keep on selling.
Selling.
That means the trend. If the market was in an uptrend before, assuming it was in an uptrend before, do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Assuming it was in an uptrend before, assuming it was in an uptrend before, you see that?
Yes, sir.
So assuming that, so do you see what I just taught you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you see what I just taught you now? An uptrend, then it gave you
Yes.
an equal top,
Yes.
okay, equal what?
Yes. Top.
A double top.
Double top. Mm.
Just like a double top or a triple top. What else can you call it?
They call it neckline.
Are you sure you are this class?
Ah, of course. Sorry.
What else
And
can you? This is this thing right here is called
equal
what?
top. Mm.
Equal
That's
what?
equal high. Equal high or equal top.
Equal high or double top?
Yes.
An equal high or double top.
Or double top. Yes.
So it can also give you the market can also give it to you in this manner. It can even become a triple top. It can also become a triple top in this manner. You see this one, here.
Mm.
You see, it is still at the neckline.
Okay.
It is still at the what?
Neckline.
The neckline has not broken. And in this manner now, this market was an uptrend. You see, it's an uptrend.
Yes.
Okay. It was an uptrend. The trend
Yes.
that occurs before I started giving you this equal or triple tops was what? An uptrend. Do you see that?
Yes.
It was what?
An uptrend.
Was an uptrend. Do you see the uptrend?
Yes, sir.
And then it gave you, and then right here it's giving you a triple top now. So this triple top now,
Triple
this is
top.
an so we have in a market, we have three different market movements. We have an uptrend, a downtrend, or a what?
Ranging.
A ranging market. So if you look at the chart now, I can see that even the market has entered from has came from an uptrend and now entered into what type of market?
I should call it ranging market.
a ranging market. And then what would you, at this point now, you have identified the resistance, okay, and the
Mm.
support. So at this point, which I named the neckline, you can also call it the support.
Mm.
Why here can become what? The resistance.
Resistance.
Here is called what? The resistance.
Resistance.
Okay. Why here is called what? The what?
Support.
The
The
support.
support.
Okay. This is a public knowledge. So remember, I call this point. I call this point the neckline. You remember. So in this type
Yes,
of
sir.
market, what you have to do is to be very patient and watch
Yes.
what direction the market.
Wants
The,
to
the
go.
market was an uptrend before it started giving you triple tops and triple bottom now. The bottom here is even not triple. This is triple top, but the bottom here now is one, if you can see very well, two,
Yes, sir.
three,
3
and four.
and 4.
Do you see that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Why the top? Do you see? Hello,
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
hello.
Yeah.
Why the
Hello, I
top
can hear you.
is triple? Okay, please be responding.
Mm.
Why the top is so? How many tops do we have?
We have 3 tops.
And how many neckline or support do we have?
We have 4 necklines, 4 supports.
Of supports? Okay.
Yes.
So this type of market now, what you have to do is whichever way you have to be patient for the market to give you a breakout. The market
Okay.
should either come and break out the support or the neckline, break it below. Okay, come back and be patient
Yes,
also
sir.
for it to come and test it. Then you watch what is doing there, and then you can join for your sale. Or if the market
Okay.
did not break below, or it goes up from here, okay, to break above this resistance, then you should wait for it to come and retest that area, this level. Watch the candles, okay, the chart,
Okay.
the candlestick pattern you are seeing, and then
Yes, sir.
you enter for your buy. Please, I have explained this thing
Okay.
very detailed where you should understand. Do you have any question, please?
Yes, sir. No. It's well explained.
So whichever way the market breaks out first, that is the continuation part of this market. That is what the continuation part of the market.
The contention part of the market.
Please, do you understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Please, do you understand this?
Yes,
Be
sir. Can you give
responding.
me
Do
a
you
test?
understand this thing?
I do. I do. I do. I do. It's raining here. Oh. It's raining. So now it could be the reason you might
I'm hearing you.
um
I'm hearing you now, but sometimes you don't talk at all. I'm hearing what you're saying. Do you
no, I
understand what I
always
just
talk.
explained to
I
you?
always respond. I do.
Okay. Do you understand these things that I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand these things that I explained to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any question about it so far?
No, I don't have. Can you no, please can you give me a test?
I should give you a test.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I just sent you a test.
Okay. So okay. No, what I meant is can you give me a test for this thing you just taught me now? Maybe you draw it, let me explain it for you to know if I'm catching it more clear.
Okay, okay. So I have taught you double top or triple top already. Equal what? Equal highs. So I've also
Equal
taught you
top.
an equal low.
Yes.
And then, so you now know at the same way you have an equal highs, that's the same way you can have an equal low. I've taught you about that. An equal low,
Yes, sir.
a quick example is this. This is a low, okay? At this point, it comes up this way. You see, another this thing, and then like this. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
So this point is what? An equal low.
Equal load.
You see it? And this point is
Yes,
called
sir.
what? And this point is called what?
The higher. Hmm?
Please be talking. I'm
Hello.
hearing you. There is no time to waste.
Yes.
It's called the neckline.
Okay.
Okay?
Neckline. Yeah.
So when the
Yes, sir.
market breaks above it, it has to come down to retest it and then to keep on buying again. Just give you a very simple example of market movement now. You still don't understand it.
I do. I do.
Okay, very good. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's go to the real chart to give you example of all these things I've just okay. I've not given you. So this is head and shoulder. Just mark it out for you. So this point, so this is the shoulder. So this point is the shoulder. Okay, and here is the shoulder also,
Yes, sir.
and here is the head. Just like a human structure. When you have your head, you have your two shoulders. So we call it head and shoulder. And this point is called the what? It's called the neckline.
The, the neckline.
The neckline. So what happens with the neckline? Once the price breaks below the neckline, okay, the price breaks below the neckline this way and goes down. You already know that this market is gonna keep the market is going to keep selling.
Yes,
But
sir.
you should not join
Yes.
to sell. You should wait so that the price can come up to retest the neckline. Then you join for your selling for your sale. Okay. After your sale, having
Yes, sir.
the idea and the knowledge of market structure, the market after the market sells, it has given you a lower low now. It should come to give you what? A lower high. Okay, to
The
give you
lower.
what? To continue selling again. A lower low. So after a lower low, market will come up again to give you what? A lower high to keep on selling to give you what? A lower low. And then come up again to give you what? A lower high to keep on selling to give you what? A
Lower
lower
high.
low. This is how some of the market moves. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is so now we have also something called inverse head and shoulder. Inverse what? Head and shoulder. It
Head
happens
and
in this
shoulder.
same manner. Okay, this is it. This is the head and shoulder. Okay, then you come down this way to give you the head up to the neckline again, and then the right shoulder. So do you see it now? So this is the inverse head and shoulder.
Yes, sir.
So here is the shoulder again. Okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
the shoulder again. You can see it, and here is the head. and here is the head. You see it? So here is the what? At this point now is the
Yes,
what?
sir.
At this
That
point
is
it's
it.
called the what?
It's called the neckline.
It's called the neckline. Thank you very much. So an inverse head and shoulder happens when the price wants to go up, while a normal head and shoulder this one happens when the price wants to push down. If you see it on the chart, you know that this price is going to push down.
Yes.
But if you see an inverse head and shoulder, this one is the inverse. You know that the price is going to push up. So how will you know that? You see the neckline, when this is the neckline, so price will have to break above the neckline in this manner, go up, and then come back to retest the neckline. Then you enter for your buy. Price will go up to buy. After the price gives you a higher high, because this place is a high now. While here is a high, this is a higher high. Now market structure applies in everything and everywhere. The price will give you what? A higher low. Okay, this is a higher low because this low now is not higher than this one. To give you another higher high, and then what? Another higher low, and then what? Another higher high. This is simple. It is not hard at all. Then at this some point, you can also put your trend line. You see how clean? I'm teaching you important knowledge. You see this
Yes,
some
sir.
point too. You can also put the trend line. You see how simple? I'm teaching you important knowledge.
Yes, sir.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
The beautiful thing here is that this class is live, so you can watch this video on YouTube later. So this is head and
Okay.
shoulder, and this is inverse head and what? Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Okay? Head and shoulder, and that is
Yes, sir.
inverse head and shoulder. So going back to the class, so let me go and show you all of these things I thought this morning drawing out. Let me go and show them to you on the real chart. So at this point, look at this market here. You can be able to tell me what this is. This at this point, what is this thing here?
That is the neck.
What is this thing right here? This is one, and this is two. What is this thing?
The neck.
This is simply an equal low, a double bottom.
Double.
Okay, it's simply an equal low, a double what bottom, and this point right here is the neckline. This is the neckline.
Okay.
The what? The neckline.
The
You wanna
neckline.
see it very well? We have to zoom it. The market will never give you perfect example like the way I draw them out. I told you before. You must be a smart man.
Yes.
What did I just say? The market must not what?
The market will
Give
not
you
give
a
you.
perfect
Must
example
not give you
like what I
the
draw out for
example.
you. So here, this is a low. Okay, you go. This is the neckline of this low. Yeah, and then another equal low there. I see the market came here. Let me remove this blue drawing. So this, you see, this is the neckline. Okay, this market tried to come and break the neckline
Yes, sir.
around here. Okay, but it didn't break. It pushed
Yes,
it
sir.
down. It pushed the neckline could not break here. It pushed it down small. Are you seeing it? To finally what?
Yes,
Break
sir.
the neckline. To finally what?
Break, yeah.
To
Break the
finally what?
neckline.
Break the neckline.
Break the
And as I
neckline.
told you before, on all of this chart, even on the on I told you here, once it breaks above the neckline this way, this is the neckline. Once it breaks the neckline this way, the price always comes back to retest the neckline to keep on buying again. I just told you that. Okay. Now on that chart,
Yes,
now
sir.
just to give you an
Yes,
example,
sir.
the price broke that neckline and came back here to retest it. See it here. It's so to retest it to
Yes.
buy again. So this is it. This is it right here. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Does it make any sense to you at all? Is that not what I was showing you before?
Yes. Yes.
Do you understand it? It is the same thing. Let me draw it out. Let me draw this market was selling from here, from this point, it was selling down to this point. Okay, and then it came back up here, a
Yes, sir.
neckline, give you a neckline, and this neckline sold again to give you at the same low. This same low now is equal to this one because it's the same at same level, at same area. Is that not correct?
Yes, sir.
And then it bought up here at the neckline, trying to break above it, but it didn't break above it. The price pushed it down, okay, and then finally it breaks above
Yes,
the
sir.
neckline this way. After breaking above the neckline,
Yes, sir.
price came back down
It
to
came
retest
down the
that
trace.
neckline. This is it.
The
And
trace.
after retesting the
The neckline.
neckline, the price now bought again. It now bought again. Let me
Yes.
move away this thing I just draw out for you. This is what I just draw out for you. This is it. Are you not seeing that this market, even though what I just draw out for you now on that same place, look at it. It's something I was showing you. Our market structure is still present. You can even place a trend line here.
Yes.
Okay, trend line didn't touch the second one. Put it here. Understand. Okay, leave trend line. Okay, leave trend line. But market structure is still present because
Okay.
you have okay. This is your low. This is your high. This is your what? Your high low. This is your what? Your higher high.
Higher low.
This is your what? Your higher low.
Higher
This is
high.
your what? Your higher high. Do you see that? And this is the neckline there
Yes,
on
sir.
that chart. It looks so simple when I draw it out this way, but now on the real chart, your brain is now somehow confused. But I have already moved out what I draw out on that chart, that this is it. If you put it there, it fits so perfect. So this is part of training. You are training
Yes.
your eyes to be able to see these things. You see that I put it
Yes,
back
sir.
there on that chart and it fits so perfect because that is the same movement
It
that is
fits.
there. And when I carry it out like this,
Yes.
it will make so it will be so easy for you to understand. But do you understand it on the real chart?
Yes, sir.
Please, are you following this class?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Does it make any sense to you at all?
Yes, sir.
So you now understand what I'm trying to
I
teach you
have a
now.
question to ask you.
Yeah, go ahead, please. Ask the question.
As you said, when it breaks the neckline, it will always
Yeah.
come back to the neckline to the trace up here.
Yes. It
Then it will
often price
retrace
often. It's
her.
not
Then
it's not a must. It's not a must, but it's often. It's not a must.
it's
You must
often.
only be
Okay.
dealing with probability.
Okay.
Continue, please.
It will probably come back there.
Yeah.
Probably that's what we use. Come
Yes.
back. Then when it retraces, it can it be that when it traces, it will either go up or go down based on the depending the
I
distance.
don't get your question. Come again. I don't get the question. Come again. Ask it again.
Like if let's say that is on a uptrend, the market is uptrend, huh? Down, it breaks the neckline of the uptrend. I know it's something that is meant to start going up, right?
Your question does not make any sense to me. Oh. Try to ask me properly to understand you. A neckline only becomes available at an equal high or equal low, a double top, a double bottom. There is no neckline in an uptrend. So what are you saying? Ask me again, please. Do you
No,
understand what I'm saying?
repeat what you said. Yeah, repeat what
A
you said.
neckline only only becomes available in a chart pattern. A chart pattern right here now is this double bottom here. So since we have a double bottom, a neckline is the center of it, the center level of it. A neckline does not you cannot say a neckline at an uptrend. There is no neckline on uptrend. A neckline only becomes available inside a chart pattern. And what chart pattern is here? double bottom. I've told you before, this is a double bottom, a high, a low, okay, a lower high, then an equal low, okay, and then it comes up this way to give you a higher high now because this high is not higher than this one. Simple market structure. This is the chart pattern, okay, because a normal uptrend happens like this: a low, a high, okay, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher. There's no neckline here, but neckline only applies at this chart pattern. And what this is the double
Double.
equal low chart pattern, and this point here becomes a neckline. Do not make something simple to be hard. Now ask a question again, please. I'm listening.
Is understood. Is understood.
Do you still have any more questions?
No, 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 no.
Very good. So now I'll giving you an example of an equal low in a real market, a real chart. And this, my brother, it is it. This is it here. Is that not correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let me give you an example. Can you spot an equal high right here on this chart now? Do you see any equal high? But I'm seeing an equal high on this chart right here. I'm seeing a clear example of an equal high. Do you see it or not? Same time, if you don't see it, you
Yes, sir.
say no. If you see it, say
Yes, sir.
yes.
I can. I
Okay,
can. I
where
can.
is it? Is it here? Please be talking. Is he around here?
I can.
Are you seeing my screen? Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I can.
Are
I
you,
can. I can see that now.
so where is the double top you are seeing? Is it around here that my mouse is moving? My mouse is moving on the chart. You can see my mouse very well. Is it around here? Which point is it on the chart you are seeing the equal high or the double top? Where is it? Is it around here? Hello?
Yeah. Is around there. Is around there. Yes. Is
So
around there.
do you see? I will ask
Is
you
around
again. Do you see the double top equal high or not? Let's save time. Do you see it or not? Are you
there. I
seeing it
can
or
see.
not? Okay, where
I
is
see
it
it.
on the chart?
I'm seeing it.
Where on the chart is it? Where on my chart is it?
Ar-
Tell me so that I will locate it. Help
Around
me
the
to see
ending side. Around the
around this
ending. Around the ending.
and
Yes.
this is the ending side.
Go back. Yeah. Go back a bit.
Back.
Yes. Around that side. Yes. Yes.
What is it? What is it?
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
here?
Yes. That place. Yes. Then yeah. Yes.
Okay, at this point.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is your double top. This is your double top. Okay, you try. You try. But the one I'm seeing is here. I'm seeing a double top here. Look at it here. Okay, you can see it.
Okay.
And where is the neckline is here, my brother. This is the neckline of this double top. Okay, this is neckline. So let's mark it out how the market move. The market move from this point and move up, giving you a higher high because this high is higher than this one because from here is an uptrend. You can
Yes.
see that, and then it moved down to give you a higher low, and then goes up again. Instead of giving you a higher high this way, it ended around that level, giving you an equal high. And then it sold
Equal
again,
high.
breaking the neckline. The neckline level is here, but it sold again to break it. And then the market came back to retest that neckline to sell again.
Yes. And sold
Please, do you
again.
see it?
Mm.
Do you
Yes,
see
sir.
it now? Let me take it out for you on the real chart so you can
Yes, sir.
see it. This is the neckline and this is the retest here. Do you see that, my brother?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us go and look for more examples. Let's go and look for another example. At this point now, I'm seeing an equal low here. Okay. But let's look for one that is neat. Do not force anything on the chart. Do not
Okay.
force what? Anything on the chart. Don't force anything. Always be a gentleman. Don't force what you are not seeing. If you're not seeing something, please don't force it. Unless you are seeing it, don't let your eyes force you to see something that is not there. You will lose money if you do that. This chart is not loading. What's wrong with it?
Okay.
The chart is not loading. Oh my god, the kind of rain that's raining here.
Network is fluctuating.
Is the network bad now, or you are still hearing me? Hello?
I can hear you, but net is the voice is cracking.
Is raining a lot. Is raining is raining a lot. Is raining a lot. Is raining a
Yeah, and
lot.
it's raining here too.
Yeah. It should.
It's raining
And
here too.
okay, it's raining a lot. So let's go to a different chart to see if we can find other examples. Oh, I'm not supposed to be. GBP, JBY. Why my distance changed with a CM? Mm, From the best you can do. I think I used this thing to give you guys class last time. That's why we have one of this. I'm just going to do a teaching last time. Thank you. The network is. Are you hearing me, or is my voice still cracking somehow? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hearing you now.
So
I'm hearing you now.
we are looking to spot an example of double top or double bottom, an equal high and equal low. Looking okay. I've seen one. I've seen one. You see this one that I've seen? I've
Yes,
seen
sir.
one, but the neckline retest still happened because it happened somewhere. This is it here. Okay, an equal bottom. So this is the neckline here. This is the neckline. You see what happened there? This one now happens
Yes,
on
sir.
the bigger side. You see it? You don't understand it. It came back
Yes,
here,
sir.
a low, give you this neckline here, come back again, give me this equal double bottom. Went ahead to break above it. Okay, and then remember, see what happened on this chart. Okay, broke above it and then came down to test it, and then before it continued buying. You see what happened on this chart when the market came.
Yes, sir.
When the this one happens very big, but it is still the same thing. You have to be very train your eyes to notice these things. Look at what happened here when this market came at the neckline. Okay, there was a it has some disturbance right there on the neckline before it was able to break above it. You see it, showing you that the market knows what it's doing.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this example I just brought out for you? This example here. Do you see the example? Do you see
Yes,
the
sir. I'm
example?
seeing it.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good, my friend. Very, very good, my friend. So after this class, you have to open trading view on your
Honestly,
computer and start making.
okay.
Yeah, you wanted to say something. You wanted to say
I say
something.
honestly, you know, it looks more, yeah, it looks more real and more clear when you exempt it from the real chart. When you take it out from the real chart, it looks so clear. But while looking at in the main this thing, it's a bit used to be a bit confusing, honestly. Honestly.
Yeah, yeah, that is. Yeah, it's normal to feel like that. Understand? So with time, it's not confusing to me. I know how to see. Whenever I see it, I already know it. You understand? So that is it. So with time,
Yes.
your eyes. That's why you will open trading view on your computer, and you will start looking to identify these things. You're doing them every day. Every 2 days, within a week or sometime you will get to know them. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So at this point now, do you see what the chart is doing here? This bucket gave you what? What do you have here on the chart?
First, we have a resistance here, objects, double, equal high.
What is this one? What is this thing, please? And this is the neckline of
This
this
one,
bucket.
neckline. Mm.
So we have a triple top here. It's a triple top now, not one, not two. It's a triple top. It happens something like this. It did. Okay, it did something like this. Come up again. Market will never give you the way you think you want to have it. Something like this. And then come back here at that same level. Something like this. Okay. Something like this.
Yes.
Like this. 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 This is the market. So this is a triple top, and this is the neckline of it.
The photo. The
This is
neckline.
this is this is
So
exactly
from
what
there, you
happened
now
here.
form the downtrend.
Yeah. So you see that it broke below the trend line. It broke
Uh,
below the trend line, and then become the downtrend.
yes. Become a downtrend. Yes. Yes. Also, I'll have a question. Oh. I think it's a bit difficult to train here at where this is a double top. I think there should be a range in that side. Yeah, I think it's a bit difficult, right? Because of the resistance
You say is a
at the
bit what?
initial time.
You say is a
A
bit
bit
what?
difficult to trend it when it's still. Uh, it should be a bit
Yeah, continue what you're saying. I'm
difficult to trend from this point when it's forming these double and triple faults because it's does it look like more of ranging?
I've already given
Mm.
you an example of this thing this morning. I don't know what you're saying. I gave you example this morning right here when I was showing you neckline. I gave you an example. Let me go and find the example I gave you this morning. I gave you an example. I gave you an example right here. That same chart that appeared on that thing. This is the example I gave you this
Yeah.
morning.
Uptrend.
I gave you this example this morning. And this same thing now, this same thing here, right now, this same thing, this same example, this same thing right now is exactly what is happening, what happened on this current place we are looking at. Let me go back there. That is something that happened here. That's an example there. Is something that happened here. Is that not correct?
Yes.
Because
Yes. You're right.
I told you that this market you cannot trade it if it's you have to wait for it to break whichever way that the neckline breaks first. You buy and breaks, wait for it to retest the neckline, then you sell. Or if it comes if it didn't break before, if it comes
Your
up.
voice is cracking. Oh, your voice is cracking.
Okay, but I've already explained this thing for you before. You seem not to understand it. So so at this point I don't think I should keep on giving you too much knowledge.
You see.
So we have to end the class. You are not really understanding too much knowledge at the same time now. We have done we have done I gave you a revision of uptrend and downtrend, ranging market revision. I gave you a trend line as a, you know this thing again. I gave you equal low and equal high, triple top and triple bottom. I gave you neckline. I showed you what is head and shoulder and other things. So I think they are too much right now as a new beginner. So we have to be taking them step by step, not at the same time. So this class have to end now, so that and I have to send you the link to this same video so you can go and watch it on YouTube on your own. So that these same things I explained this morning, you have to learn them again and again
Okay.
to see if you really understand them. So that
Download
way,
it. Okay.
when we are doing under class, you'll be catching up because we are not really catching up 100% now. And I understand it's normal. Okay. So the class will end now, and I will send you the link to this video so that you can go back on your own to rewatch this video again and again and again and understand them. While watching them, if you have any question you don't understand, you write them down. On the next class, you ask the questions so that I can explain to you the questions. Okay? Do you understand what I said? Understand what I said?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Just send me the link. The link.
Okay, good. Do you have any questions so far now for this class?
No, 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 no,
Hello?
no, no. Let me go through the video. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. No,
Go
I
to the
don't have
video.
anyone. Let me go through the video this and download the knowledge. Yes.
Very good, very good. Go to the video. The video
Thank you.
is very nice to do justice. Okay, thank you so much.